What's up, guys? I am back on the river with my dude, the Cincy Fish dude. Look, the dueling smallmouth assassin. We are out on the East Fork, Little Miami. The water's looking good. We're feeling good. I'm ready to get a bite. Listen, so we've got the dual mission. So if I get a blow up, Paul's right there to throw in to cast to get that miss blow up should I have one. We're ready. Let's hit the water. More times. Ooh, there was a blow up. If you want to do a follow-up cast right by that leaf. That was a blow up. This is the perfect tandem. Top water, and then you got the follow-up.
Yeah, bottom.
Get him.
There you go, man.
Got him?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See that strategy?
We got the dynamic duo strategy going.
Got that on the Helgi mat. Matt chased that one out of the rocks with his top water, and then he told me to follow up the same spot, and what do you know? What do you know? We got a smallmouth.
I'm hoping this is a repeat of me and Mike's day. This is exactly what happened to us. It was dry for the first hour. There you go.
So too, man. All right.
Is that a raccoon? That's a dead raccoon. Why is a butterfly on it? Gross, butterfly. I was geeking out when I saw it. I was like, oh, look at this fish. No way! I know what fish this is.
Unbelievable. Oh, you got hit right in front of you. Oh, gotcha too.
Oh, got me.
That had like a thick fish.
Oh, damn, boy. He thick, boy.
Oh, huge schools. Look at that. Huge schools of fish. That is a... You see this right in front of us?
Oh, there he goes.
Yes.
Came back to get it.
He did. We were just talking about, do they come back and get top water?
Not a big one. Oh, oh. How you gonna toy with my emotions like that?
The top water explosion. There he is. There it is.
Got him?
There it is.
Got him. Ooh, that is, ooh, that was bigger than the one that had me.
Spit it. That gravel pit. There we go, Matt. Right by you.
Heck yeah. Largie?
You see us? Is that a largie? Yes. Looking like a fool in front of Matt's Fishing Missions fans. Just a little creek largie on the Helgramite. It's getting hot now, Matt.
It is heating up.
We started off, it was perfect.
Speaking of heating up.
Hopefully the bite does the same. I'm sorry, this has got to be one of those tricky. Did I get them? Got them.
Ooh, there's something in by that branch. If you can cast that far from there. He's blowing up on me 3 casts in a row. Yep, you got him right there. That's a fish.
You're right, Matt.
Yes, sir.
Another little largie. Or a spotted, this one is. Following Matt's guide service this morning. He
Woohoo.
All right.
Nicer fish too. All right.
That spotted?
Dude, that is a big spotty. That's a nice spotted bass, dude. Wow. Check him out.
Beautiful looking too. They are a little spotty hybrid mix. Wow. Let me get a couple photos. Oh yes. Hey, what's up? MFM10. If you want these huggies, use that code. I think we cleaned out that tree.
Yeah.
We got the little brother. Sorry.
Why? Oh my God. Oh, and I had a stick on the friggin' lure. Literally. Oh! Dude, I had a branch like this long on it and he still hit it.
Is it fatty?
Yeah, it was a huge fatty. Just on the, just overside on this side of the log. Like, yeah, like run him down the edge there. Come on. Ooh, give him another one. Give him another one. He's gonna bring something out there. God, I want you to catch the bass that missed me. Oh, there's one. That's not the big one, but still. Oh yeah, you're gonna bring another one out of there, guaranteed.
Nice aerial shot. There you go, Matt. That's right when you turn off your.
Oh. Arf. Ooh, missed that one. Dang. Something's got to be hanging out by that rock, you right?
Nice cast.
Yep. Ooh, feels nicer. That feels nice.
You catch that on, Matt? Top water?
Square Billy. Ooh, he's a good one, dude.
Oh, you caught two smallmouth.
No way. No way. No way. No freaking way. Oh my God, dude, this is the first. What the frick? Oh.
On the Cast Cray Square.
Listen, is the Square Billy legit? Oh my God. I have never seen that. A smallie and a spotty.
Two species on a freaking crank.
What the heck? That's a thumbnail right there.
I'm taking millions. No,
wow.
big surprise face at it, like what the?
Oh my God. Oh, guys. 2 fish on the Square Billy. First of all, we got the nice spotted bass.
Really nice.
Wow, let him go. But man, the star of the show is this smallmouth, man. He really got the back hook lodged in, so they were fighting over it off of that rock over there. Wow.
Wow, that is unbelievable.
It felt like a 3-pounder, and it probably was 3 pounds total of fish, but man, that's crazy. I've never had the dual lure catch. That's crazy.
Only on catfish rigs I ever had something like that, but that doesn't count.
That's wild. Wow. Well, guys, if you want a lure that catches fish, 2 fish at the same time,
in one cast.
Yeah, go to Cast Cray, use MFM10, get you some of these bad boys. Wow. All right. See you later, buddy. That was too cool, dude. That was too cool. Wow.
And I had the camera out before it happened, so I had the whole thing.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, let's go, dude.
That is awesome.
Is that a fish? Oh, that is a fish. Ooh,
Beautiful.
nice.
Again, but beautiful.
Square Billy getting on it.
Do you want me to do your cinematic movie though?
Sure.
You have it?
Looks like he's been caught before too. The old Square Billy. Check him out. Look at that cheek scar he's got.
On one side it looks really striped and patterned, the other side a little less.
Yeah. Another good Square Billy catch.
You've only done a couple casts and on that pattern.
Ooh.
They say match the hatch. How is that matching any hatch? Something about that chartreuse that
Just gets them fired up.
they don't see chartreuse the same way we see it either. It's another shade of green. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Right there in those rapids.
Another beauty. Heck yeah. Let's let him go. I bet you'll catch one if you throw into that log.
That log right there?
Yeah, I guarantee you there's more than one. More than one. Back to back, boys, right here. Here it goes.
Yep.
On. He's running.
Yep.
There you go. There you go.
How many times are you going to do that today?
There we go.
Caught it. That's awesome. How many times are you going to do that today? Just call it. This is Fishing Science with Matt, my guide. It's on the slug bug.
Slug bug, son.
Started off a little slow, now the bite's going. You baby.
This looks juice right here by these roots. Yep. Oh, get in there, Paul. Get in there. While he's still hungry. While he's still hungry. Yes!
What's going on today?
Oh no. Oh.
Yes. That's freaking hilarious. Just like in baseball, where you follow your swing, or in basketball and soccer, when you follow your shot, fishing goes the same.
Paul's batting cleanup on this swing. Paul's batting cleanup.
Always follow up.
Cleanup hitter.
That's right.
All right. I gotta believe there's more fish in here. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a good cast with old Mr. Billy here. Oh, something hit it. Either that or it was a... Ouch!
That's the only thing that you can add to this is a deep set hook.
There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Get up here. Get up here. Square Billy, what are you doing today, sir?
That's the only thing that you can add to this is a deep set hook.
Oh! Ah! Oh, that's past the barb. Oh my God. I need help.
That's the only thing that you can add to this is a deep set hook.
Oh, goodness. Oh, Lordy. If you could just lip him.
Oh, right. Oh, sorry. Nice smallmouth, Matt. If we both get hooked.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Lord. Okay, he's like
All right.
skin hooked in there.
I don't want him to shake.
I know.
Okay.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, let's see. I can probably get this. Oh, Lord.
It's the worst, man.
Oh, yeah, if you can get that one out.
sorry, it's just so deep in his skin.
Oh, and it's upside down too, like.
Should I cut the line right now just to give you more slack?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Matt. I'm so sorry, I'm the worst. Oh my gosh, come on, Danu, we gotta do this. We gotta save Matt.
Oh, hold on. Let me get a grip on this. There you go.
Okay. It's just like I can't go down enough because it drives it into you deeper. All right, I broke that hook.
Oh.
Okay.
You're good.
Put him back.
Whew, okay.
This is Matt Smalley here and that. Man, this has been a crazy day. You can make 3 videos out of the thing that are happening today.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that hurts. Okay, time to let him go and time to get this guy out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Thank you, buddy. Sorry for the non-graceful release.
He's like, you deserve it, dude. You see what you did to my tongue?
Ooh.
All right. The one hook cut fairly easy inside his tongue.
Oh my God.
Do you think this will cut it?
Okay, do this. Cut that back hook off.
Okay.
Because I want to be able to yank on it and not get those wedged into my shit.
Okay, that's a good point. I don't know. So we just need to cut that, right? That way you can pull it out backwards?
No, it's already, I gave it a tug and now it's in there.
Do the old braid knot thing.
I don't know how to do that. The only thing about that is that I don't know if I can secure these hooks.
Yeah.
Here, can you grab the split ring and take that hook just completely off?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm just gonna give it a send here.
You sure you don't want to do the
God, do you know how to do it?
Yeah, they just tie braid to it, and it's that whip motion that the string does.
Well, hold on. The thing I'm concerned about is that if we whip it and it catches another finger, because I don't know if I can.
Yeah,
let me just yank it. One, 2, 3.
Oh.
Virgin sickles. Ooh, hand is shaking now.
At least you got that experience out of your way. It's happened to you now.
Well, that's twice now.
Okay.
God, it happened in my garage in my trunk one time.
Oh, really?
Well, thank you, and also fuck you. Peep, peep. Well, there's the purple pearl ghost. Say that 3 times fast. The purple pearl ghost that Paul has lent me. Let's see if there's any more fish in this pool here where we caught the big fatty that decided to take revenge on my finger. What did I say? I need help.
Yeah.
It's like that kid where he eats wasabi, that little baby, and he goes, help. Have you seen that? He's asking his mom for wasabi and she gives him some and he eats it and he goes, help. Oh, oh, Paul, that's even bigger than the one I just caught. Oh my God. Yes, yes. Oh.
Fish grill. Watch my hands.
Well, careful with the finger.
Yes, my biggest of the day. I don't have treble hooks, thankfully. Oh gosh, just chill. Chill.
Nice, dude.
Thank you, man. Right in the shade. Killing it. Killing it.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Talking about.
That's what I'm talking about, yeah. Oh! There you go. I don't know if that was the same. What is happening? What is happening right now?
Just don't want to stick in anything.
There we go.
Nice.
Can I not lose this one? Oh my God, you're gonna be kidding me, dude. It's not the hooks. The hooks are super sharp. They're just shaking like a mug. Shake it off. The area, it was like a snow area, and it gave you some new characters to fight. All right, stay on. We ain't losing this one.
Little rock shoot. Got the smallmouth.
Now I'm all timid.
Well, even the small ones are the ones that are crazy too.
I know. No more finger injury. Dude, where did his dorsal fin go? Look, he's got a little special guy right here. Whoa, buddy. You are special. We believe you can do it. You've lived this far.
You've seen some shit.
All right, guys, it's time to play What's Under This Rock. It's time to play What's Under This Rock. Oh, there he is.
Fooled you. It's a real.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. He's not happy. He's not happy. All right, we'll let him go.
I thought for sure you were going to make me jump by putting that on my leg.
I would not do that to you. Hold on. Let's not let him get smushed. Okay, good. Good to let go. Oh, no. Mr. Mink didn't make it. Poor buddy.
That might be where we need to be fishing. Oh, you're sinking still.
Okay, there's a little saddle right here. Oh my goodness.
Yes. Daddy.
Dude, come on. Get me to the bank. Get me to the bank. Dude, he hit that right at my feet. Nice. It's probably 2.5-er. Good 16, 17-er. Wow. All right, redemption for my finger. Double up. There we go. I got a fish. Paul's got a fish. get it going, guys. Well, Paul's got a fish on over there, and I got a fish on right behind us. Look at that. The old double up, guys. Gotta love it. Well, guys, you gotta love a good solid bass bite. Love this. There you go, buddy. Oh my God. That's the best. That's one of the best. Well, Paul's got a fish on over there, and I got a fish on right behind us. Look at that. The old double up, guys. Gotta love it. Oh, this is the juice right here, Paul. You got it. Log monster. Is there a log monster over here? There is. Here. Oh, another log monster. Let's freaking go. Another solid one. Come on. This has been amazing today. Fish after fish on the square billy. I gave up on topwater because it just wasn't happening, but man, you pop a square billy on, it catches fish, it catches me, and then it catches more fish.
It catches two fish sometimes at once.
It catches two fish at once. That's right.
And flatheads.
Wow. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. I can't tell you how crazy today has been. Man, it's just been smallie after smallie, and they're all in the teens too. A bunch of teeners. It's been great. We caught some big ones. We've caught some double ups. We've caught a double up lure, and we hooked myself. What is going on today? I don't know. But we're catching smallies. There we go. Oh, the log is producing. Little log monsters and log squeakers. Little spotty guy right there. On the purple pearl ghost. We will take it. Thank you, buddy. Yes! Yes!
Woo, baby. You're finding them. That's a spotted Kentucky bass, spotted bass.
Oh! Got the snag released, and on the retrieve got a little small jaw.
Careful there.
go. Little smallie on the purple pearl ghost.
Of all the scary horror movies and shit, still one of the scariest scenes I ever saw was the E.T. in the cornfield.
Yeah, so me and Paul just run into some pawpaws.
Pawpaw. I ran into pawpaw.
Check it out, guys. So they grow in these little bunches like this. Right, and right next to a cornfield too. So we got some pawpaws. I wish I could find like a bigger one that was ready to be ripe.
Are we filming our Halloween episode?
We could pick one and take it, let it ripen up. Well, this is a really good spot. Look at all these pawpaws. Oh my goodness, there's tons of them. I wonder if these were planted. About to be dumped on here by a rainstorm. All right, check this out, guys. Paul just found some awesome river treasure.
And that was up there.
That's some old
off the
horseshoe.
path, so it wasn't, you know, like where people are always walking like in a creek. Hell yeah.
Nice find, dude. There we go. Oh, dude, he took off like a rocket. Oh, and I was all jacked up on my lure.
Got him.
Yes, dude. The fall. Whoa!
That's my fish of the day. Heavy beast. On the retina.
Get him in, dude.
He's wrapped on my foot.
Oh. Hold on. Ooh, I don't. Ooh.
I know.
Ooh.
Don't worry about if it's.
Hold on. You got him. I got him.
You got him?
Yep. You just want to cut the line? Oh, he's on your pants. Your lure's in your pants.
Oh shit. All right.
You want to cut the line real quick?
I'll just take the other hook out of his mouth. You got him?
Yep. Oh, dude, that's a smallie.
Yeah.
Here.
Well, I don't have.
Hold on. Get the bottom lip.
Yeah. Oh.
That is a freaking.
It's a shame I can't show the retina.
Well, Paul just caught this absolute toad monster. Paul, tell us about it.
On the retina, just kind of trolling him while I walk, while we're trying to chase this thunderstorm out of here. And he wrapped around my leg and he got the lure stuck in my pant. Fortunately, not my hand like Matt's previous smallmouth, but oh, it feels good and tanky, man.
I gotta scale. Do you guys scale?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's measure him before you weigh him. That way we can at least, in case he shakes.
I don't know what happened to my grips.
16 and a half.
Nice. That's freaking awesome.
Oh, 1.76. 1.76. Good.
All right,
good.
that was big. Awesome.
Well, Paul, what a day! What a day!
Freaking awesome.
It was, man. I can't be mad at it any day. We were just catching teeners all day long. It was a good stretch. The rain, I think, helped us a little bit. It's got that prefrontal, that good barometric pressure drop. You guys know about the barometric pressure. It's a good bite. So if you're in a spot where you're not going to get hit by lightning and you got a storm coming, it's always a good idea to get out that prefrontal bite, because days like today happen.
They want to eat before their habitats blown up.
That is absolutely the fact.
We had some things happen today that
we had some
a lot of firsts.
We had a lot of crazy things today. We had some meat hooks. We had some double ups. We had some double ups. We had some 1 in a million double ups. It was crazy. Paul caught the biggest fish of the day. What was it, about 16 and a half, 17er?
Yeah.
It was just a good bite. You gotta love those. And guys, we made it happen with the Cash Crate crankbaits. Paul was throwing that retina around. We got river treasures.
Yeah.
I was throwing the square billy around until one got in my hand. Paul lent me his. Man,
They didn't care. They didn't care
all
what we
day,
fished today,
baby.
man.
Let's go. The tug is the drug. Guys, I appreciate you watching. As always, make sure you follow me on all the social medias right here. And subscribe if you're not already. We do all kinds of good missions like this. This guy's always in tow with me. If you haven't checked out his channel, make sure to check him out. He'll be linked below. And as always, guys, I will see you on the next
Matt's Fishing Mission.